Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new start switch on an electric lawnmower. I'll begin by removing the batteries so the mower can't turn on while we're working on it. Now I need to access the switch. I'll do that by removing the cover. Now I'll pull the drive bail away from the handle, and that'll allow me to remove the rear housing from the handle. And I'll remove the lockout. Now that I've accessed the switch, I'll note the location of the wires and remove them. Now I can install the new switch. I'll insert the wires into the openings and secure them with the screws. I'll place the switch back into the housing. Make certain the screws are tight. And I'll reconnect the wiring harness. Now I can reassemble the housing back onto the handle. I'll place the safety button back into the housing. I'll align the bail with the housing and then put the posts on the housing back into the holes on the handle. I'll reattach the drive bail to the handle. And then reinstall the housing.